academic qualifications.
Omothe maafitha kamite ya kwandika arutani TSC mauma mbere ya kamite ya bunge ya Senate igi githomo gucokia ciuria ciigi marihi na kwambatirio ngathi kwa arutani. Kamite ya kwandika arutani TSC yugite gutiri arutani a gikiro gia P1 mambatirio ngathi mwaka-ini wa 1996 ende ni arutani aria matari na githomo gia P1 no ni mathomithitio urutani ni thukuru cia Kagumo na Bondo cia guthomithia arutani. TSC yugite arutani aya a P1 mambatirio ngathi miaka-ini ya 2003, 2010 na 2014 thutha wa TSC na NAT kuiguithaniria na mishara yao na marihi ma njoherera makirihwo kuringana na ngathi ya kiwira.
Dissatisfaction with the parameters that the Ministry of Education had used in promotion of untrained A-level teachers. Consequently, in the year 2003, TSC signed an agreement with the Kenya National Union of Teachers to promote all P1 A-level teachers who are in service as at 30th June 2003.
No na thengia wa TSC kuiguithia kamite no ikinya riri ria guthutukania arutani a gikiro gia P1 na kwambatiria aria mari thi wa gikiro kiao. Hari marihi ma njoherera kuri arutani a Kilifi makuruta wira kuria kuri na MORITU, TSC yugite Ministry o ruti wira wa muingi niyo ikoragwo na uigirereki wa gukurana icigo iria iri na MORITU na cigekirwo ngathiti-ini ya thirikari. TSC kiuga icigo iria ihetukitio ni maheaga arutani acio marihi ma njoherera.
The designated hardship areas in Kilifi County as today are Ganze Division in former Kilifi District, Magarini, Marafa, and Kakoneni Divisions in the former Malindi District.
What is this that the administration used to pay DOs and their employees some hardship allowance in ungazetted ASAL area that teachers don't benefit from?
TSC ni uritio kwarira mitaratara mikinyaniru hari kurihaga arutani aria mahuruka wira mbeca ciao cia kanyungu ihinda-ini riria riagiriire amu aingi ao mahuruka wira ni mateaga mahinda maingi na guikara ihinda iraya magikinyira mbeca ciao. TSC kiuga o mweri hakuhi arutani 2,000 ni makoragwo makihuruka wira.
What has come out is that TSC needs to organize itself. It has organized itself in a good way, but it needs to organize itself in a better way. That all the documentation relating to a teacher's retirement are prepared in good time and handed to Treasury.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jetagwo Wagoi wa Mwirori.
Want to give an opportunity to